2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, electronic stability control, compass, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, four-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.